Here we have a DIY jewelry pendant kit for kids 3 and up, and I recommend to have an adult with you while you're doing this for kids, because it has a lot of things that kids might not know how to use, like the glue. It comes with markers, colored pencils, a bunch of stickers, the glass pendants, and the keychains themselves. And it even comes with a little booklet with pictures that you can have inside the pendants, or you can make your own. Print out some, draw on these little circle ones they have, or hearts. It comes with a bunch of glue, tweezers, stickers, the old necklaces, some colorful ribbon, and a bunch of the keychains. Today I'm actually going to help my little sister with a pendant as well. So let's see how that goes. I know, I like that one too.
Which one?
The kitty.
Sure.
We're going to do the kitty one, the heart one. So let's cut it out. Here we have 4 different kinds. This one was white blank, just with Hello Kitty. You can color it with the color pencils or markers. I used here all the markers, and they had little stickers of Hello Kitty, which I used inside as well. Here I printed it out, this picture of Cat Noir, and I put stickers all around it and the outside, which is convenient. And here I made this from scratch. It was just a blank canvas, and I put stickers of cactuses that they gave me, as long as the markers they gave me as well. And here I have a picture already that it came with inside the DIY booklet.